Um, good, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor Lojani Nkunku, um, professor of law, professor of contract law, professor of international environmental law and policy, professor of science and technology, telecommunication and biometric science, professor of comparative constitutional law, professor of disaster preparedness, who get the solution of Fukushima, Chernobyl, and all disaster, include the COVID disaster because we were the first get the localization of a virus, any virus. We made scientific work for geolocalization of a virus. You know, you can go everywhere, tourist and everywhere, but if you don't know where is the virus is, you will be exposed all time and you will get vaccine every time. So we create it, we fund it. Our scientific funding is of geolocalization of virus. We did it to Maasai Forest. We are also professor of management, okay, natural resources management. We are also professor of currency. Okay, we did it in IRID, regional African regional integration and development. IRID. We teach currency. We teach also. We are professor of green economy. We develop it in Tangaza. We are professor of economy innovation. We are professor of economy, new economy. That the concept, that President Clinton and Prime Minister Tony Blair were attracted and they get involved in discussion. We are also expert in many fields. If I start to give all discipline that in the field that we are expert, you are not going to hear the message I will give. First of all, I want to respond to Kenyan. Some Kenyan. I have friends there. Kenyan people will remain. Those who didn't wrong to me will remain in my heart. Okay, we forgive also. Those are desperate because they wronged us and they're thinking they could treat me humanly when I was in Nairobi, because today I'm elected Secretary General of the United Nations. So first of all, I don't sell drug. I don't drink alcohol. I don't sell drugs. Okay, there never will be incident like what Uhuru Kenyatta did. Knows that I'm professor of university. I'm expert of United Nations. We work together in KICC. So, but in June 12, 2019, Uhuru Kenyatta at midnight used the landlord to send police come to kidnap me. So if I didn't escape, my body could not be seen. Okay, and also they didn't deport me because when I said I left without shoes, it's not because they deported me. No, I went in Don Bosco. There is a letter asked Don Bosco There is, I went in, I joined Congolese community of priests there, so they take care of me. I went to see also the priest from America. She's a priest there, and the congregation there, they take care about me. Okay, but the police came at the middle night. What the police came to do at the middle night? This was kidnapping. So you disappear, like a Musando, like a Chris Musando, like a Keseri, and no one speak. That's why I said we cannot continue like that. So we cannot continue like that. We have to put someone is have more respect. We don't get in ethnic problem. We don't get in Okikuyu, Kalenji, Luo, Luya. We don't get on that, okay? Because we teach all students, all the come from many ethnic, Muranga, Kakamega, and Kamba, and everybody. So we don't get that. But the future of Kenya, it will be Dr. Mukisha Kichui, because he's competent. We work together at the United Nations. He's competent, but I'm not making interference. I'm not making interference in Kenya. That Kenya will choose their own future. Okay, we play our part. We receive poison, we receive xenophobia. It's okay. It's not tomorrow. I will go back to Kenya. I need just Kenya, if they don't want to pay my work I did, to give me my document, my suitcase, and there is important document. Also, my work, my academic work, because the academic work will continue even if in Geneva, even if in New York, we will continue to work to develop things as we are doing right now. Right now, what news I'm giving to all people around the world. That my contribution about the currency. I hear many debate about the currency, and I'm glad that I was honored to initiate this debate, and I was honored that the Queen Elizabeth didn't get in small things, small plan, how you kill someone, how Queen Elizabeth doesn't get in small things. Leave it to the Uru, leave it to Obama, leave it to those white supremacy, have a big mouth, but doesn't have anything here. Queen Elizabeth discussed Bitcoin. I will continue this work because Queen Elizabeth cannot talk right now. We are fighting for voiceless so that she can talk. She can talk. We have this leadership. We have a power to set women free. They can speak. They can choose by themselves. They can control their body. They can control their matrimony, so they can choose their man for the partner of life. If you come to Nkunku like too much God, you can find someone else that like the devil, Satan, and like follow money or follow loving, raping woman and mistreating woman. You are free. I'm a liberal. I always say I didn't do the study, colonial study. I didn't do colonial study. You are not going to find in my way colonial study. Those bring our my ancestor in America. Mistreat them until today. I didn't do colonial things study, but I did liberal study. Liberal study is European law. I was among the first student among. When I said the first, people laugh. Yes, the first never will be the second. Okay, it's good to be the first because you break. That means you break all barrier for the generation to come. So the debate about the currency, I'm talking about global public finance. Global public finance, small contribution. What put? I listened to your debate, but no one said this because you know because you didn't have a chance to make a liberal study. You didn't have a chance to go with me in the International Bank of Settlement under my professor, Professor Mario Giovanoli, at the University of Lausanne. Teach me international market of finance. Teach me central bank also relates to Rothschild, who teach me Swiss bank secret, who teach me European Bank of Investment, who teach me the currency. And I was honored to be the participant of EQ. So Europe currency, EQ, will become euro at the Bank of International Settlement in Basel here, so close to Germany. So I have a big knowledge about the currency, about finance, okay? And every day I update it as a scientist. So when I listen to your debate, because no one said that I came say what I'm saying right now, is just to complete, okay? You can criticize a professor, you can criticize whatever, but always put in your mind, professor is not idiot, except a professor in Freemasonry, because lecturer in Freemasonry, they need his money. They are just opportunists, okay? We don't talk about opportunists, we talked about the right of education. I think I talked about it in the United States of America. They welcome the Department of Education, welcome it. Also, Elizabeth was seduced by a discussion about education, so they welcome it. If in Africa you don't want it, it's okay. It's okay. That's your choice. Okay? So there is three criteria of currency, three criteria. The first criteria is the debt, okay? You should not have the state to welcome a currency, new currency, you should not have the debt, public and private debt. Public and private debt. So it's time for me to honor a champion in Quebec, in Montreal, the Cardinal Jean-Claude Turcotte. The Cardinal Jean-Claude Turcotte discussed with me also the problem of debt. He fought until he left this country, he passed away. Okay, but we discussed, I was always I don't have distraction. What I regret as distraction is meeting Uhuru Kenyatta, getting the same compound with Obama, distraction and everything. That's what I regret. But I always be with the great people, that we have get in my vision, or we have the same vision and help people. Everything we do is to help people. So I'm honoring now Jean-Claude, the Cardinal Jean-Claude Turcotte. Remember, I always linked with Cardinal great man. In Nairobi, is the Cardinal John Joe is better than those poisoned me. The Cardinal John Joe was a good, is a good man, and we discuss also education. Okay, he's the one gave a recommendation with Episcopal Council and sent me to Cuellar, and the Pope Francis approved. So, so the debt, you should not have debt to have a currency. Right now, I see many people, many countries have a debt, public debt. When they borrow a lot since many years, so they could not have any more access to loan. They run away for private loan, because there is a public debt, but there is also private loan. So they went for private loan. Now they get in the top, so they are in chain now. They get in chain. So they get the last chain is a Freemasonry criminal organization. They get there in hope that they can negotiate. They will have a facility to negotiate their bad management of economy. Bad management of economy. They didn't have any vision, and they didn't know how to escape of all this trap. So now, no one can save them from Freemasonry. Only me when I'm fighting, and when I get to New York, we will open the door. We'll fight. We'll hand this slavery, the chain of slavery. So the first criteria is public and private debt. You should not have. The second criteria is stopping inflation. After COVID, we get in inflation. So they did it on the purpose. They did it on the purpose. But inflation, they did it on the purpose, and you can't have a currency with you can't have the currency with inflation. The third criteria is you have to reduce the public deficit. But how we can have a currency when COVID, Freemasonry criminal organization, COVID crash jobs, crash economy, crash everything. Okay, crash everything. So there is in many countries there is a public deficit. So empêche them to have a currency. There is also additional criteria. Additional criteria is to control. In the time of inflation, you have to control the flexibility of currency, existent currency. But what the flexibility? The government cannot. They put in the market of finance. They put in the market of finance many Euratom, many private currency. Currency must be public, must be under the control of the government. Okay, the currency must be under the control. When they put euro, we participate to establish euro. All government of Europe have to control it. even if Germany win to give the name of euro, but all government of European Union and institutional union have to control euro. So today you go to Italy, is euro, but the government of Italy is controlling it. You go to Germany, euro, the government of the government of Germany, that's the control Dutch mark, but that is controlling euro. France the same, and other countries. But the danger with African president, they get rich themselves, with private currency, not public. And the government has to control the currencies, their flexibility, depreciation, and everything. They don't control. It's one group, a hidden group, are putting a lot of private currency like Euratom, like crypto money, so that collapse the public finance. To collapse the public finance, because all this money come from the private and the darkest room. When they are paying people work online, they don't pay tax to the government. It's them, and people are vulnerable. Go to the line to cyber. Oh no, I will send you some money, without the control of a government. So they don't pay tax. If you don't pay tax, how are you going to build public finance? So the government have to go again to debt for the generation and the generation and the generation. So that we try to simplify, because I told you that no one can beat me in economy. They were calling me the Bible of economy. I reminded them I'm the Son of God, so I'm angel of economy. But unfortunately, in my country, they are right, because in my country, it reminds me the national team of football is Diable Rouge, the red Bible, and from my region is the black Bible, Diable Noir. So just I want to